Stick around for a Slime Time Extra right after this episode.
We're about to start something big.
They're searching every ship. How do we get through to our parents?
Let's just fight them. Right here, right now.
That would be a very short fight, Juno.
And we would lose. We can't fight Geela's entire fleet, Juno. I know! I'm just so... Ugh.
Frustrated? Angry? Miffed? Upset? Furious? All of the above?
Ugh. Rand! What did I tell you about leaving your trash around?
Don't tell me. I give up. Tell me.
Put it in the trash! Ugh, I'm sick of your garbage all over the place. That's it! We're garbage people!
Excuse me.
We're going to turn the space bus into a garbage vehicle and disguise ourselves as garbage workers.
Phew. This is so much fun. We aren't the 5 teenage girl musicians you're looking for.
What are you doing?
That totally doesn't work.
This vehicle is a trash barge? They certainly look dirty, and they stink.
Guys, we gotta dump this trash and make another run today. Can we move it along?
Not so fast, Missy. Are those instruments of music?
Maybe?
Are you here for the music festival?
Yes! Yeah! Definitely.
Why is a band traveling on a trash barge?
Because we're called... and stink.
Something smells funny here. We don't have a sense of smell. It was a metaphor. I think you're lying.
We're not lying. We're a real band.
Okay. If you are really here for the music festival, play us a song.
If you insist. 1, 2, 3, 4.
When I am low, I know just who to call on. Wherever I go, I know I got someone to count on. And I know I'll be alright, 'cause I got you by my side. Hey, so I know I'll never fall behind. Hey, 'cause you got my back for all of time. Hey, and you know this love is certified. Hey, 'cause I got you by my side. Nothing can ever come between us. We are the rhyme and reason. Everyone knows who's seen us. And I know I'll be alright, 'cause I got you by my side. Hey, so I know I'll never fall behind. Hey, 'cause you got my back for all of time. Hey, and you know this love is certified. Hey, 'cause I got you by my side.
That was so cool! I feel 13 again! Awesome! May I have your autograph? Inspection complete. You may proceed.
Looks like we're playing the music festival and looking for our parents.
All right, space pirate. Give me my ring. Wait. You said you found the missing 5th jewel.
And you said you'd pay me. Where's my money? Hey! Hey!
Sorry, I'm evil. I lie. Guards, seize him!
No one double-crosses Kang!
That's so weird. I just did. Lock him up in a dark, dirty dungeon and let him out never!
No one double-crosses Kang!
Stop him! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Empress, we are so sorry about this.
Get off of me!
No one double-crosses Kang!
He really says that a lot.
After him!
No one double-crosses Kang!
Okay, we get it.
Thank you, Spaceport number 9. We love you. You want to hear one more?
Listen up, Pentangle. It's time for a little family message.
This is a message for my daughter. Athena, come home.
Juno, please, turn yourself in.
Luna, my dear. Geela will protect you.
You will not be harmed, Hera.
Something's rotten in Spaceport number 9.
It's a trick.
Obey Geela. Geela is good. Geela is awesome. All praise to Geela. All hail Geela.
What do we do, Athena?
See, princesses? It's all good. Come join your parents, and we'll all live happily ever after. We can just hang and talk about clothes or makeup or boys or whatever.
She is so bad at lying.
But she's very good at being evil.
I'm here at Spaceport number 9, and I'll be waiting.
Geela brainwashed our parents.
They look like zombies.
I've never seen my dad afraid like that.
We have to save them!
Come on, let's go rescue our parents.
Juno, we have to finish the concert.
And we don't even know where they are.
But we know they're close. Yes, let's show them we're here.
I am so confused right now.
Chamberlain, when I give you the signal, I want you to beam a video of us on those projectors. We can't rescue them, yet. But we can send a message. Let's spread our music to the stars.
Good grok! Is that SpacePOP?
No, actually, that is Stink. The band formerly known as SpacePOP. Gee, how could they have snuck in here?
You're telling me SpacePOP is here and nobody saw them?
Maybe they poured invisible juice all over themselves.
Get them!
Invisible juice? Are you kidding me?
All squadrons, SpacePOP is here. Find them, and when you do, vaporize them!
They're going to vaporize us! What did you think Geela was going to do? Give us a parade?
Fortunately for us, we can track Geela's communications to her androids.
We'll know where they are and what they're planning. Get dressed, SpacePOP.
We have to do our encore, but we can't play in our jumpsuits.
If Geela wants SpacePOP vaporized, it doesn't matter what we wear now. Prepare to meet Grok!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Chill! Easy! Truce! Hey, I know I deserve this, but look, maybe this will change your mind.
You?
Kang's with us now.
And Athena's a happy camper now.
How do you know we can trust him?
Good enough for me. What changed your mind, Kang?
I was an idiot to trust Geela. She tried to double-cross me and yada yada yada. So, I'm here to join the resistance.
Ladies, we still have to do one more song. Hey, this is our last concert ever.
Wow.
I love you guys.
Come on, SpacePOP. If this is our last show, let's give them something to remember.
Greetings, Pentangle Galaxy.
I knew Geela liked wigs, but that like totally ages her 30 years.
Change of plans. The trial of the traitors starts right now.
Oh, Grok.
Let's have a nice, speedy trial. Royal families of the Pentangle. You stand here charged with treason. What is the verdict, jury?
Guilty!
The punishment is... let's see. What's that word? Starts with a V, ends with a G. Oh, I remember. Vaporizing! Unless... the 5 missing princesses turn themselves in.
Athena, no!
I am Athena, Princess of Athenia.
Rhea, Princess of Rheania.
Juno, Princess of Genoia.
Luna, Princess of Lunaria.
Rand, Princess of Randia.
Rand? You're not a princess.
Well, I can dream, can't I?
Hera, Princess of Hera.
Seriously? The 5 girls with the same names as the missing princesses? None of you figured this out? Well, princesses, I'm so glad you decided to turn yourselves in.
We're not turning ourselves in. We're here to rescue our parents. And to take you down, Empress Geela.
Impossible! You're just 5 girls. I have an army of 10,000 androids. How in Grok's name do you propose to take me down?
With this!